So today we are going to learn how to process a proton NMR spectrum using TopSpin. So here you can see TopSpin, which is sponsored by Broker. So you can download TopSpin from Broker website. Of course, you have to have license, academic license or paid license. So I already have academic license. So first we have to open it. It will take a few seconds, and also you can see another system file, so which is also embedded with TopSpin. So let's see. So you can see now software is processing. Okay, so I already have a license, so just if I accept, then it's going to be open. So this is the main page. So you can see here many options: process, analyze, publish, and so many options. Under this process, you can see process spectrum, phase correction for calibration, and also you can see the peak picking, and also integration, and some other options. And also you can see here other options which you can use for expanding your peaks, and also you can decrease the peak intensity. You can tune the scale what you need. You can expand or decrease the scale by using these options. So you can see twofold or eightfold. You can increase the intensity, and also you can decrease by half or 1/8, and also some other options. And so before that, okay, we have to collect some NMR files. So I'm going to my computer, which already I have some files. So here you can see so many files which are NMR files. So just I'm going to open any one. Okay, let's check it, this one. So okay, this is not perfect, it's not having carbon. So if you see here, so here two files under this, two files, one is 10 and another one is 11. So 10 is actually proton NMR and 11 is carbon 30 NMR. So we are going to process first NMR, proton NMR. So let's see, just drag and drop. So drag and drop this file to NMR software, and now you can see the NMR spectrum of proton NMR spectrum. And now what you can do, so now it is full spectrum view. That means 0 here, the minus value to 15, so we don't need that much. We need only 8 or 7. So what do we have to do first? We have to do some integration. Sorry, we have to do some fast correction. So here you can see, I think in my case the phase is quite good, so we don't need to correct phase. But if you want to do some phase correction, in that case you can do using zeroth order, just clicking your mouse, and then just you can see here, you can see some movements, and by doing that you can do phase correction, and also zeroth order phase correction you can do, or first order phase correction. You can do some tilling, tilling, 180-degree tilling, so many options you can do. So but I am not going to save it because my spectrum is already phase is already good, so I don't need to save it, and I back to my uh, original spectrum. Now I am going to do some kind of peak picking, because here you can see so many, here is actually already processed, but if you want to delete some peaks or some noise, because you can on the original spectrum you can see so many noise peak and also some other unwanted peaks, so you don't need all those peaks, so you have to modify this NMR spectrum. So to do so, just click the peak, and here you can see the another menu bar. So from that you can now delete, or you can suppose if I want to delete some peaks, here just click here, click here, which is define the reason for deleting peaks. Here click that one, and now you can make, you can see if you move your mouse, then then you can see here the defined region, and then if you just see after that, you can see delete peak with the defined region. So if you do this, and then already peak is deleted, but since these are important peaks, so again we need to uh, include those peaks. So to do so, again just I have to take it, withdraw the deleting region peak. Here we can do now, uh, you can do now again peak picking of that region. So let's see here, from here to sorry, from here again same way, if you do some kind of, just you click your mouse and move, and here you can see again the peaks are appeared. So by that, by this way you can do the peak picking, and also you can delete using the defined region for deleting peaks. And so after that you can do savings. So you can save, if you save, then the modified spectrum will be saved. So saved. Now we are going to do some integration. So here you can see already integrated, well integrated, but if you want to move all the that means all the old integration which is automatically done, and you have to if you want to do the new integration, then first just delete, click this one, this region which is already selected, you can see here yellow mark, and then if you cross, then it's deleted again. So I don't want to delete it because it's already processed. So if you click here again, you can see the integration, and to do again you can see delete. Okay, click here, delete. I deleted everything, and then again I want to do the integration by manually. In that case, just click the same way you did in peak picking. So here click this one, so it's marked already, yellow marked, and then individually you can do, just using your mouse you can do peak picking, integration. So now I am doing individually everything. So from here, so so I did, now integration is marked. Now actually I know, according to my structure, chemical structure, I know here actually 6 protons. So but here integration is defined as 1, but I want to make it according to proton number of my structure. So I know this is 6 for 6 proton. So what I have to do, just click again this marked, just click here, again, then mark here, just only one mark, just you have to select one peak, then calibrate according to this peak to other integration. So let's see, if you click your mouse, you can see calibration current integral. So, and by this way you can put the original proton number uh, based on integration. So here you can see, if I click here, you can see now number is 1, but actually this peak is for 6 proton. So I can just manually change to 6. Now if you do OK, automatically total spectrum is arranged according to this calibration of integration. So now everything is done. Now you can save it. So now peak picking, phase correction, and also integration done. Now we are going to plot it. So here you can see the plot region. Just click it and see, here you can see a spectrum is appeared in the plot region. So you can delete all those things. Here the side menu, some informations, you don't need these things. And also here some other options you can delete using your mouse, you can delete. And here you can see so many bars, that means unwanted options. So just click here and you can see grid. So let's say you want to remove the grid. So here you can see the grid option, axis, so x-axis and y-axis. So now all those things gone. And here is the spectrum. Here also same way, just delete all the grid line. So now you can do what, just increase, expand. So within box you can make according to the defined box here, and you can increase by here. So here you can see we can increase here the spectrum, and also we can decrease the spectrum. So I'm going to delete that one also. Sorry, oh, it's not going to be okay. It's okay, fine, no problem. Now what we have to do, so now actually you can see you can do some kind of processing. You want to include your peaking and other integration. So to do so, here just click here, you can see the peak and integral, just click that and now go up. So you can see under peak option you can see mark or level. So we need to do level, but here the values are in hertz. So but we have to put it in ppm. So now we arrange to ppm, so it's very small, but I will change anyway. And here we need, suppose for publication you need only two, so already defined. And if you put now only after point, you will get only two digit. Now we have to expand the that means variable to expand the values to see in our manuscript, to prepare for our manuscript. So what we can do, we can change the color to black, and also we can change here carrier bold, and here you can do some 16. And if you do OK, now the values are well appeared. And you can do same way the integration also. So here you can say integral, under this option you can see curve and level. So we have to do some leveling. So now here you can see the level also, the integration values are given below. So we can do the same way, we can expand the values to see to resolve for publications. So we can do same way. I prefer Courier bold and 16. Okay, now it's done. So you can see now the values you can see appeared in a good way. And also you can change the after point, how many digits you need, you can change. So now I put the integration values and pick picking values. So now we can do, even we can expand the scale also. So here is the scale. Okay, just a minute. Okay, scale. So we can do some scaling. Okay, here. Okay, don't need scale axis. So we can do the axis, we can expand the axis value as well. So same way, just click here in Courier Bolt, and now 16. So now you can see almost everything is identical. So values I expanded, and also a scale, and also everything is now well appeared. So now this is prepared for publications or to put in your manuscript. So now it is quite good to see. So now you can do, either you can copy using marking, or just clicking here, clicking here, clicking here. You can see the region defined, and then you can copy to your, directly you can copy to your how to say, PowerPoint. You can directly, you can copy to your PowerPoint, or you can do another thing, which is published. So if you click here, published, published here, this option, then you can see the PDF. So you can even save it as a PDF using this PDF. So here you can see. So suppose I want to save in my my desktop using PDF. So in that case, if you select something and then remove, and see, write your spectrum name or something else, proton, suppose proton NMR 1, proton NMR, and then if you click here, then you can see DPI value, you can change the DPI value. Okay, so now the spectrum is appeared, spectrum will be appeared as a PDF. So here you can see the PDF. So my spectrum is now ready as a PDF. Also you can see, as I said, you can directly copy. So you can directly copy it to your PowerPoint. That is also another good option. So here you can see a slide. So here you can see, oh sorry, maybe not copied well. Okay, copy. Oh, okay, sorry. So you can see here the same way, just copy and paste you can do. Just copy and paste. So now this is ready for your manuscript or some kind of conference or conference paper. So this is all about the proton spectrum processing by TopSpin. So if you like it, please subscribe our channel, and you can get some new NMR spectrum processing like carbon 13 or HSQC, COSY, and also some other 2D NMR, a noisy spectrum, and some other things. So please keep in touch with us. Thank you for watching.